In retirement, 30 cents out of every dollar that you spend will go to travel? Nope. Day-to-day living expenses? Nope. In retirement, 30 cents out of every dollar you spend will go to taxes. How do you talk about that? If you're not talking about taxes, you're missing an important talking point. I have one advisor that says, you may not have a savings problem, you may not have an income problem, you may not have a health problem, but everybody's got a tax problem. But it also is a problem for you as a life agent or a financial advisor, because there's a disclaimer at the end of your show that says something to the effect of, ABC Financial does not provide legal or tax advice. You should consult your own tax, legal, or accounting advisor before engaging in any transaction. It's as if you're saying to them, pay no attention to what I just told you, go find an expert and they'll get you the real story. So how do you fight that? If you have a CPA or a CFP designation, or someone in your office does, I would bang that drum hard. Because not everybody has that. You've probably set up relationships with other people in your community that are tax experts or estate planning experts. And if you're paying for that yourself, I'd talk about that too. A retirement plan isn't a retirement plan without a tax plan. So I am an advisor that boils it down to something we can all relate to, and that's having a credit card. Say, for instance, you charge $10,000 on your credit card. It's at 20% interest. So you get that first bill and it says your minimum payment is $100. Well, I did the math on that, and if that's what you did, it would take you 19 years to pay it off, and instead of $10,000, you'd pay $21,000. So what do? Instead of paying $100, you pay $500 a month. That way, you get it paid off sooner, and it saves you a bunch of money. What have you just done? You've explained a Roth conversion. Paying taxes now so you save yourself money later. I have another advisor that goes about it this way. Say, for instance, you retire, and on your first day of retirement, you go down to the bank and you withdraw all of your retirement money. You bring it home and you plop it down on your kitchen table. There's this huge mound of money, and you're sitting there enjoying everything that you saved your entire life. Then somebody breaks down the door and grabs 1/3 of it and runs down the street. What do? I had one advisor that says I'd chase him down the street with a shotgun. But what have you just explained? The same thing that Uncle Sam does. You retire, you have a 401k, and he comes in and takes 1/3 of it. The question is, what are you going to do? Are you going to accept that, or are you going to do something about it? Once again, the more complex the topic, the more stories you need to illustrate the point. And that's the idea behind Selling with Stories, to provide you the stories that you need to make your point to close that business. And we've got a lot of them here. Like and subscribe. We've got another video coming up soon. We hope you enjoy it.